Hello YouTube, welcome to another video. Today's journey takes us to downtown St. Pete, where we visit a new construction condo building that will take the record of being the tallest building once it's completed. My name is Chris Sabio. I do real estate and automotive content here on YouTube. And if you are new to the channel, I hope you will consider hitting that like button and subscribing if automotive and real estate content does resonate with you. But let's talk about why we're here today. So I have a client who's actually buying one of the units here at the residences at 400 Central. It is going to be the largest building, the tallest building in the downtown St. Pete skyline, to be 46 stories tall once it's complete. And so the reason why we're here is because we got the special invite for this broker hard hat tour. So myself, the reason why I got the invitation is because number one, I have a buyer client who is under contract to purchase a unit here, and some of the other real estate agents probably have one as well, or they have a potential buyer to potentially buy a unit here. And the prices do vary quite a bit. If you do want to see the price ranges for the units here, I have a link in the description of this video. Prices range all the way from 1.2 all the way to $5 million. So now we're getting ready for the actual tour. So we're getting suited up with our safety gear. We got the hard hat, the glasses, the high visibility vests, and we're pretty much ready to go and see the construction site. We're going to be taking on a lift all the way up to the 23rd floor. Can't wait, and I can't wait to take you guys along with me. Glasses, and luckily for me, I'm already wearing some Ray-Bans and with the clear lenses, so that in itself does offer its protection and offers a unique point of view. I'm using the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses with the transition lenses, so I can use them indoors and outdoors without having to take them off and not look like a creeper inside of a building with sunglasses. Now my wife actually, I tried to get her to come along, but she's actually just waiting in the car, and you'll see in a moment here as we walk by, she recorded a clip of the group walking by. But they gave us a little handout. As you can see, it's a little diagram showing the orientation of the building to help us really put it into perspective as we walk through the construction site. And then you'll see here, there's my blue Lexus IS 500 pointing at my wife and signaling her to record. And you'll see here on the next clip that from a different point of view, we walk by and I wave at the camera. And here we go. You can see here walking past, there I am with the blue denim shirt, waving. Shout out to my wife for getting that awesome clip. Now we're crossing the street and we're getting into the actual construction site here, and you can see now safety first, so make sure I look both ways as we cross the road. You can see some of the construction workers in the orange vest leaving the site as we enter the site. And I can tell you, yeah, it was quite a lot to take in, and I was very much looking forward to touring the property. Excitement was there, anxiety was there, and we're ready to go upstairs. Now recording a few clips with my phone here to really get this into perspective. So the building itself is going to be 46 stories tall, and as I said in the previous at the beginning of the video, it is the largest, or will be the largest building in the downtown St. Pete skyline at 46 stories. And they have about maybe 10 floors to go as of recording this video, and they're almost nearing completion. You can see we have a pretty big group. As you walk through, we cut over to my glasses, the video clip recorded from my glasses as we enter the construction site, and then we really capture the scale of this whole operation here. It really takes a small army to run this big construction project, and multi-million-dollar construction project. Obviously, a lot of people involved, a lot of money involved. The construction cost about $250 million. So as we make our way towards the elevator here, now this is a detached lift system. It's not part of the centralized elevators. It's actually some lifts that are attached to the side of the building. So you can imagine going up and down this was pretty nerve-wracking. Obviously it was pretty sturdy, but just to be on the exterior of the building going up was pretty nerve-wracking. And you'll see here in the next clip, we make our way inside. Everybody cramped into that small space, and we made our way up. Now, as we cramp everyone inside of the lift here, you'll see how it's, it's pretty spacious. I was expecting it to be tight like a sardine can, but surprisingly we were shoulder to shoulder, but we had enough room to walk around and record and pull our phones out and kind of capture the overall vibe inside of the lift. Couple higher up people here with Suffolk Construction, as well as all the other real estate brokers who got invited, as well as the on-site real estate agents who sell from the office that was across the street from where we started at this video. So you'll notice the guy next to me had one of those DJI gimbals, and I should have brought mine actually, but I think recording from my glasses did offer a lot of freedom for me to record hands-free, kind of interact with people and kind of record a unique point of view with my Ray-Ban Meta glasses. But we're almost to the top, and we're capturing this moment here as I look over the edge. A little nerve-wracking, a little nervous, but we gonna make it to the top. So by the way, if you have made it this far in the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know how I'm doing so far. I'm relatively new to the YouTube videos, and I would love some honest feedback from you viewers at home. But we're gonna dive into a little bit about the location as we get to the top here on the 23rd floor. So as I'm looking at the available inventory, the prices start from the middle seven-figure price point. 1.2 is what they have currently on the market, all the way up to 4.9, basically at the $5 million price point here. Being one of the higher floors, obviously, the higher you go, the more pricier the real estate is, so to speak. So as far as what this building and condo project is going to have to offer, I'm just reading off from the website here. There's going to be on the 7th level on an amenity deck with over 36,000 square feet of indoor and outdoor opportunities for health and wellness, plus a theater lounge, private dining room, and resort-style heated pool, state-of-the-art fitness center, a Zen garden and poolside cabana. And then on top of that, on the 45th floor, there's going to be a sky lounge and observatory with an unobstructed 360-degree view of the city, the Tampa Bay skyline from downtown St. Pete into the Gulf of Mexico. I'm definitely very excited for my clients, on my clients' behalf, just because I'm pretty sure I'm going to be invited to their parties and get-togethers. If you'd like a list of all of the available units currently for the residences at 400 Central, I have them linked in my bio of this video, description of this video, I should say. You can reach out to me directly on my social media, click on my link tree, and then visit a lot of my social media. You can DM me there, or even email me directly. My email is also in the description of this video. Now transitioning to the commentary for what's on video right now, you can see over yonder in the distance the Tropicana Field where the Tampa Bay Rays play. Championship team, and that's what Tampa Bay is known for. We have our championship professional sports team, the Tampa Bay Lightning, Tampa Bay Buccaneers, and the Tampa Bay Rays. And I believe we have the soccer team, the Rowdies, Tampa Bay Rowdies, who are also a championship team. Now, moving on, I busted out my phone. I had to record additional content for you guys, and I believe the next clip is going to be what was viewed from my phone recording. Let's see. So yeah, there we go. We're going to be zooming in. You can see the Gulf of Mexico over yonder. So that would be where the St. Pete Pier would be, going down that direction. Now we're continuing to the tour, following some people behind me, but I shortcut to the left so we can view inside one of the units here. And none of the units have their walls up, so you can see you can walk from one unit to the other, and every single unit does have an exterior view. And if you're on the one side of the building, obviously the balcony does wrap around. So as we're capturing a little bit more of the balcony views here, let's talk a little bit more about what each unit has to offer. So every unit has pretty much a terrace of varying sizes. and it runs along the length of the residences, providing outdoor living and panoramic views from the living and dining room, as well as every bedroom. So there's also the gourmet kitchen featuring Italian cabinetry and under cabinet lighting, quartz countertops, and stainless steel Gen Air appliances, including a 36-inch gas cooktop, wall oven, microwave, dishwasher, and 36-inch refrigerator with a bottom freezer. Other highlights are generous owner suite bathrooms with glass showers, bench seats, plumbing fixtures, and Whirlpool washer and dryer. So quite a bit to offer, as you'd expect from a luxury builder such as the people building the residences at 400 Central. And using a bit of imagination, you really have to envision what's going to be the final product here. But you can see a lot of the mechanical lines for the plumbing, the electrical, the gas, and again, none of the walls separating the units are up, at least for this floor, so you really have to use your imagination for what the final product is going to be. I'm just looking forward to this panoramic view, 360-degree view that a lot of these units are going to have to offer. And you can see here, you'll see the different point of view of when I recorded the previous clip from my Meta glasses point of view. Now here we're going to do a little bit of a cinematic forced perspective kind of clip here, showcase the wraparound balcony into the unit. Now this is probably going to be one of the bedrooms. You can see where those dark lines are. Those are going to be where the walls are. Capturing yet another clip next to the Tropicana field. Thumbs up if you have made it this far in the video and you haven't clicked like yet. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, again, for real estate and automotive content. If you don't really know me yet, my name is Chris Sabio. As an introduction, as we're pretty much halfway through this video, I am a young realtor professional, 35 years young. Actually, I just turned 36, I should say. And I've been in the real estate business for 4 years now, going strong. I've sold close to 24 million in real estate so far, and I ain't slowing down anytime soon. You know, I built my business with a lot of the social media content that I put out. A lot of my business does come from repeat clientele and social media people who reach out, who see my content, like it, and just DM me. And also from my sphere of influence, my friends and family who know and trust me and are happy to refer me business. If you are a real estate agent and you want to refer me your clients, from out of state, I would be happy to take care of your clients. I have a pretty high satisfaction rating. You can see in my link tree in the description of this video, you'll see that I'm pretty much a perfect 5-star rating on Google. So go ahead and subscribe for more content like this. Now we're inside the building. On the other side here, we'll see the Truist building once again. Over yonder, you can see the St. Pete Pier and the view from the 23rd floor. And again, if you guys want to see all of the active listings available for the residences at 400 Central, feel free to go to the description of this video and click on the hyperlink that I provided there. If you also want to use the mobile MLS app to search properties for sale in the Central Florida and Tampa Bay area, it's free to use. I pay for the subscription. I'll go ahead and just click on the Linktree link, and you click on the use my MLS app for free to search for your next home, whether it's property for rent, property for sale, commercial properties, residential properties, so on and so forth. So back to the video. We're approaching the end of the tour here. I'm just walking around aimlessly here. Here's the elevator that we took up. Here's an up close look at the hurricane grade windows as we circle around the edge of the building here. Hurricane grade meaning it can withstand pretty fast winds. Being this close to the Tampa Bay, the wind storms for tropical storms and hurricanes obviously are much stronger on the coastline. So obviously a building of this size and this close to the water, you definitely want to have the highest grade and quality windows to protect you. So that pretty much concludes the tour from up above. We're all entering into the elevator. A little shaky as I cross the threshold there. From the 23rd floor, you can see the Truist building there. And we are about to make our way down. So we'll see you downstairs. So I'm definitely happy to be back on solid ground. Shout out to Suffolk Construction and the team here for the residents of the 400 Central sales team for inviting us out. That concludes the video pretty much, and we'll just take this moment to kind of summarize what was covered today. For those of you who are watching who may be interested in potentially purchasing a unit here, let's talk about it real quick. So the sales center is located at 400 Central Avenue, right down the street from the St. Pete Pier, and the prices are starting from 1.2 million all the way up to 5 million. And obviously the higher up you go, there's going to be a price that reflects that height. Being all the way up on the top floor, the penthouse suite, you can expect a pretty hefty price tag. But obviously being in this kind of community, kind of development, you can expect the price to match the product that you will be purchasing. So this building is due to be completed in the next few months. Delivery anywhere from Q4 of this year to Q1, Q2 of 2025. The construction project here is an iconic design, award-winning design firm, Architectonica, with interiors and amenities by New York-based Solano Design Studio. As we talked about, this is going to be a mixed project of condo residential space to office space to retail and restaurant space, adding to the overall appeal of the downtown St. Pete area. And honestly, when this building does complete itself, it's going to change the whole landscape of downtown St. Pete. So I thank you guys for watching. Again, my name is Chris Savio. I am a licensed Tampa Bay area real estate agent extraordinaire. I'm a residential specialist, but I do dabble into all types of construction, new construction, residential, commercial, all types of real estate deals, anywhere from off-market to wholesaling, fix and flips. I'm your guy. All my information is in the description of this video. The link tree will take you to all of my relevant links to all of my social media channels. My email is also in the description if you want to reach out and inquire there. Thank you for making it this far. If you haven't done so already, like this video. It helps tremendously, and also subscribe to the channel for more real estate and even automotive content. I'm a huge Lexus guy. I love Japanese sports cars and honestly all sports cars of all kinds. So my channel is a mixture of automotive and real estate creative content, not your boring stuff. But thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.